Want to get more driving range from your e-Vitara? Let's look at some simple ways to drive farther on every charge. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Here are a few easy tips to make every drive in your e-Vitara more efficient. The e-Vitara is available with 49 kWh and 61 kWh battery options. The driving range shown on the meter display is only an estimate of how far you can travel based on the available battery charge and driving conditions. The driving range can vary depending on factors such as driving style, road conditions, weather, temperature, usage of electrical equipment, and the number of passengers. The power meter displays the EV system output and regeneration status while driving. The energy flow screen shows instantaneous and average power consumption. The power consumption units are indicated as kilometers per kilowatt hour. Motor input-output is blue for output and white for regeneration. Now that you know what to watch, here's how to extend your range. Keep adequate distance between vehicles and avoid repeated unnecessary acceleration and deceleration. Try to drive at a constant speed. Eco mode helps extend the practical driving range by gently controlling the power from the air conditioner and the accelerator. Keep the air conditioner off unless needed. If required, suggested to set it to 25 degrees Celsius and blower in auto mode. Utilizing the regenerative braking function to store electricity in the traction battery helps extend the driving range. Through settings in the center display, you can adjust the regenerative braking force level. When the easy operation pedal switch is pressed, the regenerative braking force, when the accelerator pedal is released, becomes stronger than usual. Drive smart and let your e-Vitara go the distance. What EV topic should we cover next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.